Hi everyone, it's JAG Education! So recently there's been news that the College Board will no longer offer SAT subject tests or SAT with essay. So what this means is that AP tests will be more important in the future. And today I have 6 free websites for AP prep at home. These websites are really great because they are free and really saves you a lot of money. And also, you can really learn a lot from these websites since the websites provide a lot of tips, tricks, and sample tests. So if you fully utilize all of it, you can really learn and improve your AP score a lot. So let's get into the video now. So the first website is College Board. College Board is great because it develops and administered the tests and curriculum used by K-12. And it literally offers the AP tests. As you can see here, if you click into the website, you can see many different options you can press. And if you click into the College Board website and you scroll down, there is an AP section, and if you press on it, there are 2 different options that say AP Student and AP Central. And if you scroll down, when you click on AP Student, you can see various different updates, and if you scroll down all the way to the bottom, you can see different subjects. And then each course has different things you can learn and the information for exam dates and how to prepare for it, etc. So the second website is called Khan Academy, and then when you click into the courses button at the top left, you can see a lot of courses, and then when you click into a course, it has detailed explanations and videos based on each course. It has a lot about AP classes, and it's split up and very organized in different courses. And you can see here, in these separate courses, there are sub-courses, and in those little rectangles, there are even more specific things you can learn about, and videos you can watch, and articles you can read, and it's very detailed in explanation. If you're gonna ask me what 2 websites you really need to read and go through to prepare for your AP tests, I think that Khan Academy and College Board are the 2 websites for them. So the third website is called Kaplan. And when you click into the websites, there is a thing at the top that says AP exam tips. And then when you put your mouse over it, it has lots of different categories of the courses. Some examples you can see here are AP Biology, AP Calculus, etc. And if you click into it, you can see there are many mock tests that you can take for each course. Overall, this is a very good website to practice your AP exams since there are a lot of practice questions and quizzes. The next website is called AP Practice Exams, and this website is nice because you can see here that when you click into it, there is already a lot of squares for each course, and it's just great practice for your AP exams. So the next website is called Varsity Tutors, and this website is very beneficial because the amount of subjects there are is very complete, and it's very comprehensive, and it gives you a diagnosis of after you take its tests. It gives you like a diagnosis of which parts you are a bit weaker and which parts you're a bit stronger, which is really nice. So the last website is called Crack AP, and this website is specifically designed for AP tests. You can see the column on the left is very organized and has many different subjects, and on the top you can see the information there There are AP tests, AP downloads, AP books, ACT prep, SAT prep, and it's a lot of information that you can get from this website. So, as a wrap-up, today we shared 6 websites to help you prepare for your AP exams. collegeboard.org, Khan Academy, Kaplan, AP practice exams, Varsity Tutors, and Crack AP. I hope these websites can help you in any way possible. And if you liked our videos, please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!